Hello children. Today we are going to learn about uses of has, have, had. Children, the verbs has, have or had show that something belongs or belonged to someone or something. बच्चों, हैज़ और हैव का यूज़ तब किया जाता है जब आपके पास कुछ है, कोई चीज़ है जो आपसे बिलोंग करती है, पोजीशन शो करती है और आप उसके बारे में किसी को बताना चाहते हैं। जैसे आपके पास कोई टॉय है तो आप कहेंगे आई हैव अ टॉय। जैसे आपके फ्रेंड के पास कार है तो आप कहेंगे ही हैज़ अ कार। वहीं हैड का यूज़ तब करते हैं जब कोई चीज़ बीत चुका, वो चीज़ आपके पास थी। सो आप ये कह सकते हैं आई हैड अ टॉय, यानी कि मेरे पास खिलौना था। So children, let us learn more about uses of has, have and had. First I am going to take up use of have. So children, we use have when we mention about more than one person or thing in the present tense. For example, they have bats. Here, have is used for more than one person. यहाँ पे have का जो यूज हमने किया है वो एक से ज़्यादा लोगों के लिए यानी कि प्लूरल में किया है। But children, with I and you, we also use have. For example, I have a bat. लेकिन have का यूज हम I और you के साथ भी करते हैं जो कि सिंगुलर हैं। तो I और you के साथ भी हम have का यूज करते हैं। For example, I have a bat. You have a pen. Now, next, use of has. We use has when we mention about one person or thing in present tense. Have का यूज हम प्लूरल में करते हैं, वहीं has का यूज हम सिंगुलर में करते हैं। For example, रोहन has a cycle. रोहन के पास एक साइकिल है। An elephant has a trunk. एलिफेंट के एक ट्रंक होता है, सूंड होता है। Now, use of had. Children, we use had when we mention about both singular or plural in a past tense. Had का यूज हम सिंगुलर और प्लूरल दोनों में करते हैं, लेकिन पास्ट टेंस में। पास्ट टेंस यानी कि कोई बात बीत चुकी है या कोई चीज़ आपके पास थी वो अब नहीं है। सपोज सौम्या हैड अ पेट। सौम्या के पास एक पेट था, एक पेट यानी कि पालतू जानवर था, यानी कि अब वो नहीं है सौम्या के पास। Now children, let us summarize this lesson with the help of this chart. Here we use has with singular, noun or subject, and we use have with plural, also with I and you. And we use had with singular and plural both, but in past tense. Past tense में हम had का use करते हैं। Now let us make some sentences with the help of this table. I have a balloon. We have a balloon. You have a balloon. They have a balloon. He has a book. She has a book. Neha has a book. He had a bat. She had a bat. Neha had a bat. Let us learn more with the help of this exercise. So here, choose the correct one or correct form. Do you have? Has a pen. So here, with you we use have. So have. Do you have a pen? Tina have a nice home. Tina is a singular noun, so we use has. Trees has many branches. Trees. This is plural, so we use have. Bobby has short hair. We are talking about one person, Bobby. So Bobby has short hair. She have a yellow bag. She singular, so we use has. She has a yellow bag. We has fun at the party last night. Here, last night means it is in past tense. बीता हुआ time है ये, तो we use we had fun at the party last night. They have a garden. They means उनके यानी कि एक से ज़्यादा. This is plural, so we use have. They have a garden. Ramu has school yesterday. Yesterday means day before today. So we use it is past. So we use Ramu had school yesterday. I hope children this video will help you to learn the uses of has, have or had. Now note down your homework. Fill in the blanks with has, have or had. Mary dash a book. A rabbit dash long ears. Shiv dash a new bicycle. They dash breakfast at 6:30 this morning. Rohan dash 6 pencils. I dash many friends. We dash a big house. When I was a kid, Grandma dash a pet rabbit. Bonnie dash finished her project work. Do you dash a balloon? Thank you. Have a nice day.